Low-energy vehicle external wiring harness is a cable system that connects the car body with external power or equipment, mainly used for fast charging and power supply for various additional equipment. This kind of wiring harness is usually connected to the fast charge head at one end, and the other end is connected to the external equipment of the vehicle, such as external power supply, auxiliary lighting, air conditioning retrofitting equipment, etc. High-quality harness design is essential to ensure charging efficiency and safe operation of equipment.